In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva design in your Wix website. By the end, you'll have your Canva design displayed right inside a section of your Wix site so it looks polished and works like any other part of your page. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything fits just right. Start by opening Wix.com, log into your account, and open your site in the Wix editor. Choose the page where you want the Canva design to appear. On the left panel, click Add, then choose Section and pick a blank section. A blank section gives you a clean canvas with no extra styling that might interfere with your embedded design. Position the section exactly where you want the Canva piece to live on the page. With that section selected, we'll place the element that holds your Canva content. Click Add again, select Embed Code, and choose Embed HTML. A small pop-up or settings panel will appear with a text box. This is where you'll paste the raw HTML in just a moment. Now switch to another browser tab and open your Canva design. Click Share, then More, and choose Embed or Embed Code. Press Embed to reveal the HTML iframe code that Canva generates, and click Copy. This code securely pulls your live Canva design into your website without needing to download files or manage updates manually. Head back to the Wix editor. In the HTML embed box, paste the Canva embed code you just copied, then click Update or Apply. You should immediately see a preview of the design inside the section. Drag the corners of the embed element to resize it, and adjust the section height so the full design is visible with comfortable spacing. If you want the design to span the full width of the page, use the stretch option. Keep an eye on proportions so text stays crisp and nothing gets cut off. When everything looks good, click Preview to see how the Canva template behaves on the live page. Test any links, buttons, or interactive elements to confirm they still work as expected. If something feels cramped, return to the editor and fine-tune the embed size or section height. Once you're happy with it, click Publish to make your design live on your site. And that's it. Your Canva templates now live inside your Wix website, combining Canva's design power with Wix's site building features. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy Canva plus Wix tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.